Hello, Bacho. Let's read the question. The question says, which of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine system? Option 1 is releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by pituitary gland. Adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of hypothalamus. Option 3 is organ in the body like gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidney and liver do not produce any hormone. Option 4 is non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amounts that acts as intercellular messengers are known as hormone. तो हमें क्या पूछा है? हमें पूछा है कि दिए गए स्टेटमेंट में से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. So what is our key concept here? Our key concept here is endocrine system. So let us see what is endocrine system. Endocrine system consists of a group of organs called as endocrine glands. Endocrine glands क्या होते हैं? Endocrine glands are ductless glands that secrete substance called as hormones. और hormones क्या होते हैं? Hormones are the chemicals or we can say non-nutrient chemicals that are secreted in trace amounts and they are secreted directly into the blood. ये blood में secrete होके act करते हैं on the cells of different organ. यानी ये जहाँ produce होते हैं वहाँ act नहीं करते हैं. They act on the cells of different organ. So these are called as endocrine glands that secrete hormone. Or what are the examples of endocrine glands? The example of endocrine glands are thyroid gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland, etc. कुछ organs को हम कहते हैं exocrine glands because they secrete in the duct. So they have duct, they secrete their secretions in the duct and they may secrete either substances such as mucus and enzymes. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं स्टमक, इंटेस्टाइन एक्सेट्रा. पर कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं जो एंडोक्राइन एज वेल एज एंडोक्राइन की तरह एक्ट करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल हार्ट, लिवर, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रैक्ट. So they also act as endocrine glands because they secrete hormone in the blood. Now let us see the options. Option 1 is releasing and inhibiting hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. So let us see more about this. Endocrine gland में सबसे ऊपर होता है gland called as hypothalamus that secretes either releasing or inhibiting hormone जो कंट्रोल करता है secretions of pituitary gland. So releasing hormone causes the release of hormone from pituitary and inhibiting inhibits. So hypothalamus का secretion releasing or inhibiting hormones होते हैं. Pituitary gland controls the functioning of other glands. So they secrete hormone that can either cause release or inhibit the release of other glands such as thyroid gland or pineal gland. So if we see the option releasing and inhibiting hormone are produced by pituitary gland is incorrect because it is controlled by hypothalamus. Now hypothalamus जब हार्मोन रिलीज करता है तो causes the release it releases the hormone in the pituitary in two regions. So pituitary gland के दो regions होते हैं. एक होता है adenohypophysis and the other is neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is anterior part and neurohypophysis is posterior part of pituitary. Adenohypophysis में जो hormones release होते हैं from hypothalamus is released into the blood through a system called as circulatory portal. लेकिन न्यूरोहाइपोफाइसिस में जो हार्मोन रिलीज होते हैं फ्रॉम हाइपोथैलेमस दैट इज डायरेक्टली secreted through nerve. So let us see the options now. Releasing and inhibiting hormones are produced by pituitary gland is incorrect because it is secreted by hypothalamus. Adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of hypothalamus is incorrect क्योंकि adenohypophysis जो है blood के through control होता है ना कि through neural regulation. Rather, it should be neurohypophysis. Option 3 is organs in the body like gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidney, and liver do not produce hormone is incorrect because they can produce hormone. Non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amount that acts as intercellular messenger are known as hormone is correct because hormones क्या होते हैं non-nutrient chemicals जो trace amounts में release होते हैं and they act as intercellular messengers because they connect the or they coordinate two organs. So they are secreted from one organ and acts on the other organ. So this is right. So our final answer is option 4, that is non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amounts that acts as intercellular messengers are known as hormones. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.